Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and right now I want to teach you how to make PayPal money fast, how to make money online using PayPal, okay? So, about 34 weeks ago, sometime last year, 2017, I made this post, okay? $20.25 per hour working from home as an advertising consultant. Who needs it? Comment info below. Alright. The post got over 100 likes, okay, and over like 200 comments. Look at all these comments. All these people are interested. All of these people. All of these people. All of these people, guys. Let's just keep going. All of these people. This isn't a sponsored post on Facebook or anything. All of these people. And guess how many got started? A whole lot of them. In one post, alright? So, my question to you is, can you post advertisement like this? Are you able to get on Facebook, copy a simple formula, and post ads like this? If you can, and if it's simple enough to you, then you can do what I'm about to tell you. Because the company that I work for allows us to post ads on social media. Those ads generate sales. Those sales go straight into your PayPal account instantly, immediately, okay? This is my wife's PayPal account that I'm in right now. She just got, me and her are sharing an account, and then I have my own. But this is her payment today. As you can see, the 16th, she got paid today. 13th, she got another payment. 12th, she got another payment. Okay. Another payment on the 10th. I mean, the money comes in day after day after day, okay? Now, this here is my team, okay? I'm the CEO of Team Riot. Stands for retired in our 20s or rich in our thinking, because we believe that we can create our own life. We don't have to be bogged down at a 9 to 5. We don't have to stress every day, commute to a job every day that we do not like. There's nothing wrong with the job, but doing something every day just for a paycheck is not the way to live. So we believe in living life more abundantly. We're young entrepreneurs, okay? It could also stand for retire in our 30s, okay? Once you join our team, you have access to this kind of gear, okay? You have access to, the hats and things like that. I have multiple groups. This group here has 854 members that's a part of, our team. As you can see, my name is there, Jeremy Cash. Then I have other groups that are over thousands. One is about 2,000. The other one is about 5,000 members. Okay. Each team member, are seeing results. Okay. So let's go through a couple of, the proof gallery and show you the kind of results. Andrew got $25. Who else? Someone else Kevin got $50. $23. Okay. Adriana's killing it, of course. Let's go back to Adriana. She's killing it, with this program. Absolutely demolishing it. In one day, $955. I mean, you got $25 from them. $23, $23, $25. These are all different people, you guys. People are seeing results, okay, with what we are doing. Okay, if you're interested in finding out more about this program, okay, and how you can get paid every day through PayPal, fast, quick, in a hurry. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is legit 100%. You won't go to jail or anything. You can file this on your taxes each year. I do so. This program has allowed a lot of people a lot of freedom, okay? Now, there's two different ways you can get paid through PayPal fast. I'll list the links below. You guys click on those. Feel free, if you have any questions, contact me. This here is my Facebook. If you guys need to contact me for anything, okay? You need to contact me for anything, let me know. I just want to teach you guys how to make money online. The teams are going crazy. A lot of people are seeing great results with this program, you guys. So if you're interested, comment below this video, okay? And go ahead and click the link in the description. Find out all the information you need. get started, and start getting paid, you guys. Alright, with that being said, subscribe. If you're interested in this video, at least give it a thumbs up that I piqued your interest. I want to show you how to do the same for other people. I'm here to change people's lives. I've had a lot of success online, and I just want to do the same for you all, okay? So go ahead and get started, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.